Hey, ever hear of bacon jam? Those are two words that have absolutely no reason to be together. And yet, here we are. Stick around because in the next few minutes, we're turning bacon into something you're going to want to put on everything. Bacon jam is super easy to make, and you need just simple ingredients, which I will show here. The first thing you want to do is you want to take your bacon and you want to chop it up. Chop it up into little pieces and then throw it into the skillet and cook it up until they are well done. And then you're going to take your bacon out, put it aside, and then leave some of the grease from the bacon in the skillet and cook your chopped onions in that. Cook the onions until they're somewhat translucent. And then add the seasonings, the brown sugar, and mix that all in until it melts in with the mix. Then add the apple cider vinegar and the water and stir that in until everything is well blended. Let it cook until there's a rolling boil. And once it's all pretty much mixed, put the bacon back in. Cook it on medium, stirring frequently and shoving the mixture around until you see the mixture hold when you push it aside. That could be about 5 to 10 minutes, so be sure to keep an eye on it. Once you have everything in the pot at a thick consistency, your bacon jam is pretty much ready. You can use this immediately or put it in a clean and sterile jar and let it cool down a bit before you put it into the fridge. You should use it within a week. This bacon jam goes great on anything. I put it on cream cheese and bagels, put it on a burger, pizza, cheese and crackers, pretty much anything. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and hit that like button while you're at it. It really does a lot for this channel. Thank you so much, and see you again soon.